Hi, Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. We're going to be making bezel earrings today. We have our metal here, so we have sheet silver. We're going to be cutting out circles, and then we're going to be taking this is 18 gauge silver. We're going to be hammering that flat, and that's going to make our thin metal that'll go around the circle, and then essentially we'll have a bezel, and then this will ultimately become our post. We have our sheet silver. We're going to be using this device here. And we're going to be cutting out a disc, and that will be the bottom part of our bezel. We have our two silver discs, so this is going to be the back flat part of the bezel, and then this is wire that we've hammered so that way it's a thin sheet. We're going to wrap this around, and that'll be now we'll have our little bezel cup for our stone. Alright, so we've made our bezel walls. So now we're going to align them and around our discs, and then we'll solder everything together. We have our star sapphires. They have a really cool effect where it does make a star with 3 lines intersecting. We have our bezels. This is going to be our wire for our posts, and then these are silicone backs. They have a little piece of metal there. We're going to be taking this metal here, and we're going to be attaching it to the back of our bezels. Alright, we've constructed our earrings. So we have the posts attached to our bezel. We're going to clean everything up, and then these are our silicone backs, and we're going to put the stone in to the bezel, and then we'll be all set. We have our earrings put together. We're going to put final polish and then put the stones into the bezel. We've completed our star sapphire earrings in a simple bezel. So anytime that there's like direct light, you'll get that nice star effect. So thanks again for watching our video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. It'd be fantastic. Help support our channel. Thank you.